Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna see about data warehouse and data mart. So let's see about data warehouse. In most of the organization, there occur large database in the operation for normal daily transaction called operational database. And the data warehouse is a large database built from the operational database. So what it means? Simply in any organization, there is a large database large database in operation for normal daily transaction, and that is called operational database. So simply in every organization there is an operational database, right? And database is a large database built from the operational database. Data warehouse, the large database built from the operational database. So what is basically difference between operational database and data warehouse? Because data warehouse is also built from operational database, then what is the difference between operational database and data warehouse? So simply in operational database, daily transaction happens, and because of that the operational database keeps update frequently. There frequently happens creation, deletion, updation operations. Query operations are frequently happens in operation database. But when data warehouse is built out of operational database, then data warehouse doesn't update frequently. Data warehouse keeps all the historical data. So in data warehouse we don't update the data frequently. We update only on the basis of some timely manner or some interval of time, like in 1 week or in 1 month. But in operational database, these crude operation yani operation occurs frequently. So these are basically difference between operational database and data warehouse, that operational database used to update frequently, and the data warehouse is not updating frequently. It is used to record historical database for the data mining. So for data mining techniques, data warehouse is used instead of database or operational database, right? So we will see about now data mart. What is data mart? Okay, so what is data mart? Data mart is a subset of the information content of the data warehouse that is stored in its own database. So what it means? We already studied about data warehouse. So data mart is the subset of information content of data warehouse. There are a lot of information saved in the data warehouse. So data mart is just the subset of that information that has been stored in the data warehouse. And that subset of information is stored in its own database. Means data mart is a subset of information, and the subset of information of the data warehouse, and that is stored in its own database, right? And second point is data mart may or may not be sourced from the enterprise data warehouse. That is, it could have been directly populated from the source data. What it means? Generally we see that the data mart is the subset of information content of data warehouse. So simply it means that data mart is built from data warehouse, or data mart is the part of, or organ of data warehouse. But it's not true in all the case. It means because data mart may not be sourced from the enterprise data warehouse. It means it could also have been directly populated from the source data, as the data warehouse do, right? Next point is data mart can improve the query performance simply by reducing the volume of data that need to be scanned to satisfy the query. So what is the advantage of data mart? The advantage of data mart is that it can improve the query performance. But how? By reducing the volume of data. How the reducing volume data? We know that data mart is just the subset of the information content of data warehouse. Data warehouse is a big database, but data mart is a small database, right? So by reducing the volume of data, it can help in improving the query performance. That need to be scanned to satisfy the query. So what it means that by reducing the data, it can improve the query performance, right? That need to be scanned to satisfy the query. And next point is data marts may help in multiple queries or tools to access data by creating their own internal database structure. Data mart may help in the multiple queries or tools. It can help in multiple queries or tools to access the data by creating their own internal database structure. So creating its own internal database structure is also a feature of data marts, and it's help in different query or tools to access the data, right? For example, department store or banking system. So this was about the data warehouse and data mart. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much.